Hello all, today we are going to see the review of iSpace smartwatch. Coming to the looks, it's an exact copy of Apple Watch Series 6. As you can see, even the straps are given in the same design of Apple smartwatch. The side button, speaker, microphone, heart rate ECG sensor at the back side do resemble that of Apple smartwatch. The watch name is given as T55 model. This is the box. This duplicate model of Apple smartwatch can be used for Android phones as well. The special feature of this smartwatch is it comes with wireless charging, aka magnetic charging dock. These two dots we have to match with the two dots at the back, just as similar to that of Apple Watch Series 6. So we need to just plug in it here. As you can see, because of the magnetic action, it gets stuck at the back. The charging time for this watch is 5 hours, even with a fast charger, because it charges slowly. The standby time is 12 days. With normal usage, it is giving a backup of around 1 week. Coming to the features, it has many watch faces. As you can see here, out of these watch faces, one face you can change dynamically. You can send that wallpaper from your phone to this watch via the app. This app is not available in Play Store, but you can download it from Google. The link is given in the manual. So battery percentage is not shown, only bars are shown which are not accurate. And coming to the sensors, there are many features in this watch like step counter, heart rate sensor. You can dial from this watch. There is no slot of SIM card, but once you connect your phone with Bluetooth to this watch, then you can dial from the watch itself. You can attend the calls from your watch itself. So one blunder I have observed in this watch is, say if you activate the heart rate sensor, so currently it is placed on a table, so ideally it should not give any heart rate reading, but still it gives heart rate reading. For example, I will show you now in live heart rate sensor. So it is running. So here three readings will be coming. One is the heartbeat, one is the SpO2, that is oxygen saturation level in the blood, and another third one is mmHg, that is it will show you the BP. These three parameters will be present only for human beings. As you can see here at the back, the sensor is blinking, means it is calculating. So ideally it should show that no human detected or 00 values should be shown now, because that is the way Apple Watch or Samsung Galaxy Active watches behave. But here, even though I kept on a non-living thing, still reading will be shown. This can be accounted to the cheap price of this watch, which is only around 2000 rupees, because each sensor only costs you around 500 to 600 rupees, like oxygen sensor, BP sensor, heart rate sensor, because it has to measure the pulse and everything. But entire watch with magnetic charging dock plus one extra strap you are getting only for 2000 rupees, and that's the reason why nothing is accurate in this watch. So my humble suggestion for you is, if you want to buy this watch to use all these features, to know the heart rate sensor, to know the BP, to know your oxygen saturation level in the blood, as a step counter, don't buy this, because these are not accurate. But if you are looking some dupe watch for iPhone, for Apple Watch Series 6, then you can definitely buy this, because the design, buttons, placement of the sensors, magnetic charging dock, everything mimics Apple Watch perfectly. So as you can see here, it is giving me my values which are completely wrong because I did not place this watch itself on my hand. So if you want this watch only for a stylish purpose, so if someone sees from long place, or someone sees you on TV, or someone sees you in photos, at that time, if you want to make them believe that you are having Apple Watch Series 6 worth 30,000 or 40,000, then definitely you can go for this. But if you really want to use these features as a step counter, say you want to know your calorie graph while you are running, playing basketball, badminton, volleyball, bike riding, tennis, or if you want to play music in your watch with the play songs present in your phone via Bluetooth, then also it is not a good option because I have tried playing like that. The moment I move the watch away from the phone, the Bluetooth gets disconnected and the music quality is also very worst. So these are just features, but you cannot really use them because of the low quality sensors, low quality product. But as you can see, the watch faces are very decent and good looking. The display clarity is very good. That is what I liked about this watch. But if you are really buying this smartwatch to use the features, use these features playing music, then I will definitely not recommend because it will not work. So you can even turn off this watch by holding the button here, this button. So you need to press this button and hold, then it will power down. There is no doubt about the accuracy in time, or no doubt about the display clarity and quality, but the sensors are of very low quality, and hence whatever steps you count by this watch are not at all accurate. Mostly they are about 60 to 80% only accurate. Coming to notifications, yes, you can get notifications from phone to this watch provided your phone is placed very near to the watch. If you place your phone in the pocket, then you will not be getting the notifications because the Bluetooth sensor is also very weak and of low quality. Hope you loved the video. Only for the outer looks and for digital time. If you want to just check the time, you can use this. There is only one feature in this watch which is far better than the Apple Watch, that is battery backup. It is around 1 week with normal usage, and standby time, that is if you don't use it you are getting 2 weeks also. And there are even other features which are available on the app only, like you want, whenever you do the hand like this, then you want watch to turn on the display automatically. Yes, that feature is there and it is working. Another feature I like it is, which is working, this wallpaper, you can, whatever wallpaper you want in place of this wallpaper, remaining all are fixed wallpaper, this one, all are fixed. These all are fixed wallpapers, you cannot change. But this wallpaper, this one, you can change. You can send whatever wallpaper you have from in your phone, or whatever custom wallpaper you want, you can send that wallpaper via the app through the Bluetooth to this watch. So there is one dynamic wallpaper and some 6 to 8 static wallpapers. Thank you. Do subscribe to our channel if you loved the review.